Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can turn off restrictions on iPhone. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, unlock your iPhone and find the Settings app. Give it a tap and scroll down just a little bit. You're looking for the screen time feature, so once you spot it, go ahead and open it up. Now, your current screen time stats will pop right up on the screen. Simply take a little scroll down and you'll see something called Content Privacy and Restrictions. That's your target. Go ahead and select it. Now here's the crucial part, you'll see a toggle switch. Make sure you flip that off, and that's it. You've just turned off the restrictions on your iPhone. So that's basically how you can turn off restrictions on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.